Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. So as you guys can see from the title, today we are going to do a full hair detox. Now, this is something that I haven't done in so long. And when I say so long, it's been literally over 2 years since I've done my last Aztec clay mask. So if you guys haven't seen this before, I am going to be using the Indian Healing Clay Mask. You guys have probably seen this in skincare routines. You may have seen this in hair care routines. So the same way that you'd use it on your face, you'd use it on your hair, and it's gonna help you detox your hair. Now, I feel like my hair looks fine, but there are days where I feel like it's a little bit more limp than others. It may have some buildup that needs to be completely removed. So I feel that with this mask, we can definitely do that. And you guys have asked me a ton of times, like, if I use this, like, how do I use it? How do I do it? And I figured today would be the perfect day to do it for you guys, because I figured I was gonna do it for myself. So I'm like, let me just film it and show it to them as well. This is actually a new one. I had to toss my old one out because it was a little bit over 4 years old. I don't know if it actually expires. Yes, it does. This one has an expiration date, but the one that I had didn't have one. This expires in 2023. The other one I had just had no date on it. So if it doesn't feel right, then don't do it. I don't know how old it was. I don't know if it was gonna do anything to my hair since it was old. So I'm like, let me just pick up a new one and we could just start fresh. So since my hair is, like, my scalp is so itchy, I think I am gonna actually cleanse my hair once. I'm not gonna use a very stripping shampoo because the point of this is you have to actually apply it to wet hair. So, and this actually serves as a shampoo because it's gonna go ahead and detox your hair, your scalp, but if you do have buildup, you can still shampoo after the fact. I don't wanna apply this to an itchy scalp. Like, my scalp just feels like it needs a good little cleanse, and then I can actually apply this. So what I'm gonna do is probably use a gentle shampoo to just cleanse out all this gel that I've had in my hair all week, because every time I slick it back, I gotta put some gel. So I've just been piling and piling and piling on more gel, and that way my scalp doesn't feel so itchy. And yes, I know, guys, don't come for me. I know this is supposed to serve as a shampoo, but like I said, since my hair has not been washed in a little bit over a week and a half, I do feel like I should shampoo beforehand and then add this on top. Now, I'm not gonna shampoo after the fact because I already shampooed before, but I'm not gonna do anything too intense. It's more of just like a pre-shampoo to the detox, if that makes sense. Once my hair is wet, I will show you guys how I make the mask. All the steps are on the actual container, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And it does have a few things you can't do with the mask and what you can do, and I'll show you guys all of that in a few. I'm excited because when I'm telling you, I feel like I just need, you know when you feel like you need a detox? Like, I feel like I can use a deep detox. And the fact that I haven't used this in so long, it's sad. So I'm gonna try to incorporate this into my routine more often, but since I've had my hair all unison, long, in one texture, I haven't used this product. So I'm excited to revisit it now that I have a whole head of healthy hair. So let's see how this works. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and prep this mask. So you're gonna need a bowl of any sort as long as it has no metal. You also wanna use a spoon or something to stir it with that also does not have any metal. Something about metal actually interferes with the mask, so just try to use plastic, wooden, whatever you have at home. And next you can use water or apple cider vinegar. I prefer apple cider vinegar just to give me that full detox effect and to add extra shine to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. It's the Costco brand. So when it comes to adding the apple cider vinegar, I like to add less and then build it up because you don't want your mixture to be super soupy. So you go from there. If it still looks like it needs a little bit more liquid, then you add as you go. And then you're gonna want it to form like a masky paste, like you guys will see at the end. And then that's when you know it'll be ready to go. Okay guys, so my hair is ready. I'm gonna add this little towel so I don't get my shirt that dirty. So I just came up with a mixture, as you guys saw. Sorry if you saw that it was like all over the filming portion because I was trying to film a reels as well. You know, trying to kill two birds with one stone. And this is what the texture looks like. I did have to go back in with the apple cider vinegar just to make sure, because I don't wanna, in my opinion, I'd rather make it too thick versus having it become so soupy that I have to add more of the Aztec clay mask, because then I'll have way too much. But I think I'm gonna end up having to make more anyways. But let's just go with the flow. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I don't know if I should I do it the way I normally part my hair? I probably should. Smaller section so that way I don't use too much product. Let's see. All right, my hair is wet right now to make it easier to distribute the products. All right, so I'm going in with about this much. I'm gonna take my time and coat every strand because we gotta get this detox in our hair. Okay, I'm gonna go to this side, do the same thing. I do have a meeting in 40 minutes, so I really hope that I can at least get this in my hair and then sit with it for a bit before I hop on a camera. But if anything, I'll just hop on it with this, doesn't even matter. It's applying very smoothly. Just want to make sure all my strands are coated, so I'm going to take my time applying this. It's not supposed to feel like a super moisturizing product, so before you guys get scared, your hair is supposed to feel a little stiff. This is normal. Kind of mimics how a protein mask would feel as it dries into your hair, like the Afro one. It's not going to dry that hard, but I know that the Afro one is a little scary to use if you've never used it. You're just like, is this normal? Yeah, this is normal. Imagine you're putting clay into your hair. Like, this is a clay formula. So I'm gonna grab other sections and repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. So honestly, joke's on me for thinking that that was even enough for more than half of my head. I still have more than half of my hair left, and look. So I'm gonna prepare some more and then just repeat the same thing throughout my hair. You guys already know how I did this. I added some of the powder clay and then I added the apple cider vinegar on top. I just mixed it up so it was the consistency that I desired, which is like a masky formula. So, or texture, I mean. So this is what it's looking like so far. See my curls peeking through? It's doing a little some. I'm excited. Look at this. Alrighty, so let me prepare some more and then finish up the rest of my hair. Okay, you guys, so the mask is fully in my hair and you can already see my curls defining with the mask, which is a good sign. Of course, it doesn't feel soft, it feels hard because it feels like the clay is already starting to harden. So I am gonna keep this in for about 15-20 minutes just because that's pretty much how long they say to keep the mask in for on your face. So I'm gonna keep it around roughly 15 to 20 minutes. I do feel like it's starting to dry, so I think in the matter of 15 to 20 minutes, my hair will be definitely more dry. But this is what my hair is looking like. I am excited to style my hair today. Look at the definition. We love to see it. All right, let me just clean up this mess in the meantime. I think, what time is it? I may have to go to my meeting with this in my hair. I will keep you guys posted because I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it out. And I'm not gonna take it off sooner for that reason. I'm just gonna keep it in, so let's see. Okay, so I ended up having to go to this meeting with this clay mask in, but thank God I was able to call in via phone because there was no way I was gonna pop in like this. I mean, I do it, but like, if it's a hair mask, it's different, but when it's like this, you're just like, what's going on with your head? So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and then I'm gonna go and follow up with a mask. I think I'm probably gonna use, since I brought it upstairs from my studio, I'm actually gonna use the Niche Pumpkin Spice Mask. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what my hair looks like once it's rinsed out. I'm gonna just like rinse it out. I'm not gonna follow up with a shampoo if it's not needed because I did shampoo prior to using this. It was a very gentle shampoo. I will go back and show you guys which one it was. But it wasn't like a very aggressive clarifying shampoo. I just needed to get the itch off of my scalp because I had so much built up oil, like I couldn't imagine putting this on top of that because then I would have been like, I will show you guys what this looks like once it's rinsed out. But look at this definition. I love this. So yeah, let me rinse this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so can we take a moment for how shiny and defined my curls look? I had to add a freeze frame so we could take a moment and just stare at these curls because I don't think I've ever seen them this defined upon rinsing anything. Okay guys, so I currently have a mask in my hair right now, but I wanted to pop in before I rinse it out because that rinse out had me so shook. Like, I'm still a little bit speechless because of the amount of definition and how laid my hair was. Did you guys see how flat my hair was? And for someone like me whose hair never flattens out unless I have like a heavy gel in it, the fact that I rinsed out the clay, and that was like no joke, that was like 90% of the clay rinsed out. I did have some buildup like in certain areas of my hair, which is why I decided to shampoo very quickly right after. I didn't use a lot of shampoo, but just enough to like cleanse out the remainder of the product. But let me tell you guys, I was so shook by the definition that I'm so excited to style my hair. I did follow up with a very moisturizing deep conditioner. So I'm really excited to see how my hair turns out because guys, like, I looked at my hair and I was like, oh my, like, I don't think I've ever seen my hair like that before from a clay mask. And on top of all of that, when I rinsed it out, it didn't feel hard. If anything, it felt very moisturized. It was just very bizarre. And I don't know if you can see my reaction in the video, but like, I was just like, I don't know. I expected to have to like immediately follow up with a mask, but if I was to just keep going, I could have done that. I just felt like, you know what, the clay definitely was a very drying product, but the fact that I still had moisture, I don't know. I followed up with the mask anyways because it's been over a week and a half since I last styled my hair. So I felt like my hair needed that extra love, even though I did feel like my hair was fine. But hey, nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out this mask and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like before I style it, and then I'll show you guys my final results. So BRB. Okay guys, so this is my hair, freshly deep conditioned and post clay mask. I feel like I haven't felt my hair like this in such a long time. It feels so soft and you can see the definition. I think after adding some more products to my hair, you could see, look at this. It feels so, so nice. So what I'm gonna do is style my hair. I'm not gonna show you guys what I use in this video. I'm actually gonna style and film another video. But I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. Let me show you guys from the back before I style. Like, oh, it looks so good. It feels so nice. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna pop in once my hair is fully styled, and yeah, I'll show you guys my final results and my final thoughts. Okay guys, so now my hair is fully styled, and let me tell you guys, this is the day after I did the whole clay treatment in my hair, and I did a workout this morning and everything, and look at this hair, guys. Look at this hair. Now, the combo was definitely bomb, but I do feel the clay has something to do with why my results look so bomb and so defined. I don't know. That's all I'm gonna say. So based on this experience alone, I don't know why I have not been doing this treatment more often. I felt the second that I rinsed it out of my hair that my hair just felt rejuvenated, and I felt that this was such a necessary step that I didn't even realize I was missing. And I will now 1000% be adding this Aztec clay mask to my routine at least once a month. I think it's safe to use once a month. I wouldn't do it more than that. I don't feel like anyone needs to deeply detox like that, so highly recommend this if you are somebody with more dense curly hair and maybe you use heavy products on the daily. This definitely helped. I do feel like it did a lot for my elasticity because you guys have seen some of the stringy ends that I start to have once my hair is telling me it needs to get cut, and I feel like they are almost not there. Like, I feel like they are curled up so you can't really tell that they need a good trim, which I like. So I don't know. I'm definitely really, really happy with the way my hair turned out. I love the way my hair felt once I rinsed it out. And the treatment is very, very easy to do. I did leave it in my hair for about 25 minutes and I felt that, I don't know, I just felt like it was perfect. You guys saw my face when I rinsed it out. My hair was so defined that I was shook. I was like, hold on. Are we looking at the same head of hair? But yes, we definitely were looking at the same head of hair. And I'm so, so grateful that you guys have been commenting that on my comments, because had it not been you guys putting it on my radar, I completely would have been. But yeah guys, comment down below how you think my hair looks. Do you guys think that the Aztec clay mask had something to do with these results? I mean, granted, the results, the combo is bomb. You guys have to check out my next video because I'm going to share all the details on what I used in my hair. But I do feel that the clay mask has a lot to do with why my hair looks so defined and so, I don't know, I'm obsessed. Honestly, super obsessed. But yeah, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you do this treatment already or if you plan to do it as well. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.